5 we're going to be introduced to our first two types of quantitative research activities. The first one we're going to learn about in Chapter 11, which is called survey research, which is what we are actually conducting in this class. So you're kind of familiar with survey research, but in this class it's going to give you some best practices so that you can learn how to actually conduct a survey research study on your own, and also so you'll have a better understanding of what it is that we're actually trying to accomplish in our project that we're doing. In Chapter 12 you're going to learn about a different quantitative method called content analysis. So please make sure that you really pay attention to Chapter 12 because we're not doing one of those in this class. And so you're going to learn a lot about survey research simply because we're doing one. But in content analysis we just don't have the time to explore that fully, so please make sure that you really look at that chapter. In addition to that, you're going to have to read PAN Chapter 11, and Phase 3 of your research project is due this week. Phase 3, of course, being the Literature Review Draft Number 1. This is the Literature Review segment for your portion of the study. Now remember, we're going to ultimately pull all the different portions together for one document, but right now this is your portion and your group's portion of the literature review. So it's going to be specifically about your measure that you are focusing on in this quarter.